Now comes the hard part. See that tab there? There's another tab there, and there's one right underneath that's at the top right here that holds this whole oval on. So now we got to take and pop them off. Now if you press down on the tab, this takes two hands, but if you press down on the tab, then, and this is hard on the hands, trust me, it's very hard. So I'll get down in there and see what we can do. We'll see if we can push down on one with the screwdriver to pop it out, and I don't think I will. So we're gonna have, due to the being so tight, I'm gonna have to put it on the tripod, and you guys are just gonna have to take my word for it. This is definitely a two-handed job. You reach down, you push down on the tab to try to pop it out. and it can be difficult. There, we got one. Screwdriver seems to work better. This is hard on the fingers. Definitely hard on the fingers. There we go. Got it off. You got to push down because there's little edges right here. I don't know if you can see them. They're right there. You push down on them and pop it out. Same here. You got to pull back up on this one. Push down in the bottom to pull up. You got to pull up on this one, and they're very stiff. You don't want to break them. And then they have retaining nuts. So I show you. This one here broke off. So I'm not worried about that because the new one has this, but you want to hang on to it for this little wire nut thingy, and then I'll have to get this one off. Then we can get the Ford emblem off. So let's get this off. Now let's see if we can get this one off without screwing it up. There we go. That little, it's not even a nut, it's just wire. So it just bites into the plastic. So you don't want to lose that. And like I said, this one here, we're going to have to use a pair of pliers to get it off of there. Hopefully this is enough to get her done. There we go. Salvaged it, and then that broke off, so off it goes. But we can hang on to this one. Now we just got to pry this out. And you can see that this here is what it is. And we got the new one that you saw in the video, me spray painting it. So, you know, I could toss that. Now, this is, the reason I'm taking this off right here is I'm going to dechrome it. So, let's go ahead and, it's going to take time, but let's go ahead and dechrome this. I'll show you how that's going to start.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.
Oh heck, I forgot to tell you about the Band of One and Mercy girl. She's always got one-liners. Woo! Never forget me about